Hi, Alan again. Just showing you the part 2 of the soldering iron. So we did all the wiring. And I don't usually use that stick glue, but I did on this occasion because there's live wires here. But anyway, so the brown wires here, this is a blue wire going up here, and that is faithful to where the plug live wire is. And then so the live comes in through the on and off switch, through the fuse, and also through the on and off switch, sorry. So it comes out through the fuse to the on and off switch and up to here. And then the transformer does its work and it comes out here. I've also connected the earth. I've got a bolt going through the transformer, and I've got one of those eye things with the earth crimped and soldered, and the same here, crimped and soldered, and this one goes down to the board, and this is the board, this is the transformer connections. So just to show you the earth, so I've got, that's the middle of the soldering iron, of course, and then the plug. You can't see it. So there's the soldering iron, yep, and the plug, and this is the earth on the plug. So the earth is continuous from here to the plug. So that's all safe and sorted. And I can switch that off and switch that off. Right, and so the soldering iron is a Hakko 907, and it goes nice with this. And this is the front of it. Oh, hang on a second. Pause that. Unpause it. So, front's back in now. Need to stop, hang on. So I think the fuse is a bit loose. So switch it on, switch it on, switch it on, switch it on. Is it on? Oh yes, so the iron's heating up. It heats up very quickly. It's already up to that temperature, it's only just started. So got a little bit of solder here. I'll show you the solder there. And it's blinking. And it's blinking at 400. At 400 Celsius. So it warms up very quickly. And although I said it's sorry, it's not 24 degrees. it's it's 21 volts, and then it's 19 when it's under load, and as you can see it heats it up very quickly, and it's climbing up to the 500 at the moment, or 480, whatever it is. It's highest 450, it's highest it's climbing up towards at the moment. So I can smell the iron from here. So all is well. As I say, I put some glue here, put some little bits of glue there, which I don't usually use, but I wanted to keep the live wires safe and free from people. And this is the top, the cover. It clicks on. It clicks on, it says. It clicks on. So, up. So, and I've got 4 screws to put in. And that'll be it finished. I'll be using it. Thanks for watching. Bye.